Imagine a world where blistering heat reigns supreme, where sand dunes stretch endlessly, and where life must conquer the harshest conditions imaginable. This is the Sahara Desert, an enigmatic landscape that holds within it a treasure trove of captivating wildlife that has mastered the art of survival. If you didn't subscribe our channel yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button for more informative videos. Let's dive in. The Sahara Desert is the largest hot desert in the world. Stretches across a massive area in the northern Africa, covering about 3.6 million square miles. Despite its extreme heat and limited water resources, this vast expanse is home to a surprising variety of animal species, each adapted to survive in these challenging conditions. The Sahara Desert is a land of mystery and rich cultural heritage. It's not just a place of harsh conditions. It's a tapestry of diverse cultures where ancient traditions intertwine with the modern world. The Tuareg, a proud nomadic tribe known for their vibrant blue attire and indomitable spirit. For centuries, they have roamed these lands, guiding caravans and trading precious goods. Tuareg craftsmanship is renowned worldwide. Their skilled artisans create stunning silver jewelry, each piece telling a unique story and reflecting their deep connection to the world. Oasis communities like this one are oases of life in the desert. These resilient people have mastered the art of sustainable agriculture, relying on ancient irrigation techniques to grow crops like dates, olives, and vegetables. Beyond the traditional communities, there are modern-day explorers who venture into the Sahara's vast expanse. Scientists, photographers, and adventurers brave the challenges, driven by this desire of the uncover the secrets of this extraordinary desert. The Sahara is a home to a variety of animals, including the fennec fox, the sand cat, the deathstalker scorpion, and the dormitory camel. Our first animal encounter in the Sahara is with the adorable and iconic fennec fox, known for its large ears. The fennec fox has developed incredible adaptations to survive in this desert environment. Its large ears help dissipate heat, and its thick fur acts as insulation against the scorching sun and the cold nights. The next we have the majestic ibex, an antelope species specially adapted to live in the Sahara. With its long twisted horns and sandy-colored coat, the ibex is the master of survival in the desert. One animal that has been long associated with the Sahara Desert is the mighty camel. Camels have evolved remarkable features to survive in these harsh conditions. Their humps store fat reserves, not for water as commonly believed, which they can metabolize when food and water are scarce. Now let's talk about a creature that can be quite intimidating, the deathstalker scorpion, found in the Sahara. This venomous arachnid has developed potent toxins to fend off predators, surviving in the extreme heat. The scorpion burrows into the sand during day, emerging at night to hunt for prey. A diverse range of plant life thrives within the Sahara Desert, including the acacia tree, the date palm, and the dome palm. These plants have adapted to the desert conditions by having deep roots to reach water sources, and by having thick waxy leaves to prevent water loss. A multitude of insect species can be found within the Sahara Desert as well, including the desert locust and the Saharan silver ant. The desert locust is known for its ability to swarm and cause damage to crops, while the Saharan silver ant has adapted to extreme heat by having reflective coat on its body. An assortment of bird species also calls the Sahara Desert their home, including the ostrich, the desert eagle, and the sand grouse. The birds traveling in the Sahara Desert have undergone adaptations to thrive in its challenging environmental conditions. The Sahara is not just a place of extreme temperatures and harsh conditions. It's also a place of stunning landscapes. From the sand dunes to the rocky outcroppings, the Sahara is the place of natural beauty. While the Sahara is home to a unique wildlife, it also presents numerous challenges for these animals. The extreme temperatures, lack of water, and the scarce vegetation make life in the desert incredibly tough. Despite these immense challenges, the Sahara Desert continues to support a surprising array of life. It's a testament to the resilience and adaptability of these remarkable creatures. Thank you for joining us today on this unforgettable adventure of Sahara Desert. Remember, the world is full of wonders waiting to be explored.